Hi everybody, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I have got a welcome box from my Trove box. Now, I am not sure if what I'm going to be opening right now is the spring welcome box or if it's the summer welcome box, because I bought both. So I'm not quite sure which one this is. So we are going to find out together. And as soon as I get into it, I will give you the pricing details. But while I am working it in here, getting it open, my Trove box, for those that are not familiar, is a quarterly box. It is currently sold out, unfortunately, and it is $245 each quarter, and she does charge a flat shipping rate of $18.95. And right now they only ship in the continental US, so the lower 48, I guess you could say. But they are working to expand that. So I think I've gotten into it now, you guys. All right, and well, nope, not yet. Okay, there we go. All right. So what I have here, let me get this all around. So what we have here is the My Trove box. It is the summer 2025 welcome box. You did get to make a selection on color. So what I chose here is the lemon blue. Now, she still does have available the orange grove. And that is picking one of the items. So it's a theme of one of the items. The box was $124.95, and then she charges a flat shipping rate of $18.95. So let's dig in, because I think that is it. For this one, it is limited edition. And here we have at the top their wonderful bag. And one of the other YouTubers out there that unboxed this, she mentioned something, and when she said that, I was like, that's an amazing idea. She puts gifts in here. Yeah, so the bag itself is a gift. I thought that was just a great idea. So the theme here is, let's see here, the Amalfi coast. So she says, "Ciao, Bella. When we dreamed up this summer welcome box, we instantly found ourselves wandering We found ourselves wandering the colorful cliffside villages of the Amalfi coast, sipping cocktails beneath striped umbrellas." So that is what the theme here is, you guys. All right, so set that aside here and let's dig in. So right on top, mini dip. Okay, so this is a tumbler drink set, and it is taped, and it is 4 22-ounce BPA free ball tumblers. I will say I've never seen these before, so how stinking cute are these, you guys? Look here. Look how stinking cute. So how do we get, there we go. So you just twist, pour the drink in, close them, twist. And let me get into the straws here. Oh, untwist. And actually the color I have here, I think is the wrong color for this one, but that's okay. Mix it up. How stinking fun is that, you guys? So fun. Here all of the drink cups are assembled. So look how stinking cute these are, you guys. What's even nicer is they've got, oh, oops. Well, they got the lip here. So my assumption was they wouldn't pull out, but that's okay. Makes them a little bit more difficult to pull out. But how stinking cute are these, you guys? I absolutely love them. Stinking cute. Okay. Continuing with the box, is it Solea Lane? It scents derived by the sun, sunshine, coconut soy wax, 40-hour blend. No, coconut soy wax, 40-hour burn. It's candle. All right, let's check out the scent. It is consciously crafted, Monterey, California. It's a pretty little candle there with the wooden. Let me see if it has the notes here. It says our fragrances are gentle, harmonies inspired by botanical beauty all around. So my assumption is the notes are in the descriptions on the back of the pamphlet we get. So we will get to that here shortly. But it does have a distinct smell, you guys, and I can't place it. I can't place what it is. It's got a very potent smell. Let me say that. It definitely has sweetness, but potent smell to it. So I'm gonna set the candle there. And then here we got, aren't these fun? Stir sticks by the Santa Barbara Design Studio, orange stir sticks. So aren't those fun? Let's check a couple out. Let's see what they're made of. So very thick. I'm not going to say they're plastic. They might be resin. So I'm sure it'll tell us here shortly. But look how cute. So let's say you don't need them to actually stir anything. But I wonder if you can get that in there with the straw. No. Okay. Because I was just going to, where my mind was going is, wow, wouldn't that just be cute just to be in there? But we've got 4 of these. So let's show all of them. Aren't those cute? Very tropical, very summer, very Amalfi coast. Okay. And then we have got a tea towel. So an 18 by 28 kitchen towel, 100% cotton, KellyMDesigns.com. No, apologies, let me step back. KelseyMDesigns.com, watercolor illustrated in Denver, Colorado. Ooh. All right, so this tea towel, some tea towels actually are thicker than others. This is a thin, lightweight, which I love, but look at there. Very Amalfi. And love that you have got the loop so you can hang, because I do hang some of these decorative towels. So put that there. And we have one more item in here. There. So this item is what I customized and selected as my lemon blue item. And I will say I have been waiting for this because I've got some lemon themed decorations going on in my kitchen. And this is gonna go perfectly. I love it. Let me go there. There we go. I love it, love it, love it, love it. All around. So I like where they've got the pattern along the outside. So when you're sitting it, one does not just have to look in it to see what the pattern is. So this extra touch there, bonus. So this is by 8 Oak Lane. And I was looking to see if it had the size. It doesn't here, but I'm sure it does on the paper. And this is from Sewalls Point, Florida. I've never heard of that before. All right, so let's read about these. This is so pretty. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. Okay, so number 1 is the candle. Hand poured in California with coconut soy wax, and the notes of ginger root, pomelo, bamboo, and cherry blossom whisk you away to a citrus market in a sleepy village. And this is a women-owned AAPI brand. I don't know what AAPI is. I'll have to look that up. All right, so knowing what I know now, it smells a little citrus. But other than that, I wouldn't say cherry blossom. I don't know what bamboo smells like. Ginger, I don't smell ginger. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure if this is my scent. I'm not sure, but if it's not, I pay it forward because it's a very nice candle and would be a very nice gift for someone. Next item is the tea towels. They do say highly absorbent, long lasting, dries quickly, machine wash cold, tumble dry, low heat. It says towels come with a cross hanger, on the back corner, so you can hang to dry. And the tumblers, let's see what we can learn about the tumblers. Already said they are BPA free. Ooh, the colors are teal, mint, peach, and marigold. Love that. Reusable straws. And this too is a woman-led brand in Chicago. Our sticks, stir sticks, let's see here. Nothing I haven't already told you about those, but last but not least, our round tray. So, size, that's what I'm looking for. So, it is made of durable resin in 2 vibrant colors. It measures 13 3/4 across. So you could have got it in the apple or in the lemon, or here is the orange grove. Honestly, I would have loved to have them both, but my summer design is oranges. No, oh my goodness, my summer design is lemons. So this tray it fit my design perfectly. So, okay. That is the summer welcome box from my Trove box. Again, her quarterly subscription is currently sold out. I think she might have a wait list. So if you are liking what you're seeing here, go out to the website, get on the wait list. If they don't have a wait list going right now, go out to social media, look Instagram, Facebook. I'm not sure if she has a YouTube channel, but go out there, follow them on social media. Once they open up more options, I'm sure they will post it out there. So, Okay, well, that is what we got for the summer. Hope you enjoyed this and hope you're having a great week, and we will see each other again later. Bye, everyone.